Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making Vite the single pipeline for JavaScript. Run npm install, then ensure resources/js/app. JS exists and is your only entry. Once done, import any global modules and styles there. That centralizes bundling and avoids multiple competing scripts. Make sure Vite. Config. JS uses the Laravel plugin and points to resources. This first step gives you predictable builds, hot module replacement, and deterministic asset names, so you can reference them cleanly from Blade. Next, wire the bundle into Blade with @Vite, resources/js/app. JS placed in your main layout. Once done, structure your code into ES modules, export defaults or named functions, and import them into app. JS. Make sure to initialize UI behavior after DOM content loaded or mount frameworks like Vue/React into a specific element. This ensures scripts load once and run reliably. Using a single entry avoids duplicate state and guarantees that HMR and finish by running npm run build for production and reference the built assets via @Vite. Once deployed, clear any CDN or browser caches and confirm versioned file names match. If something breaks, check the browser console and network tab for 404s or failed imports, then run npm run dev locally to reproduce with HMR. One key troubleshooting tip: if modules fail to load, ensure Vite. Config. JS and Blade @Vite paths exactly match resources/js/app. JS, and that no old mix/manifest files remain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.